If you've ever wanted to upgrade your videos with studio quality clarity, stunning cinematic effects, or even transparent compositing, all for free using AI, you're about to discover 3 tools that could transform your creative workflow. These are hands down some of the most powerful open source AI video tools released recently. Let's jump right in. First up is SeedVR2 Upscaler by ByteDance. If you've ever watched an old video and wished it was sharper, clearer, and simply more detailed, this tool is going to blow you away. SeedVR2 takes in any low-quality, noisy, or blurry video and restores it to gorgeous high-definition clarity. For example, I watched side-by-side clips where the original footage was just a mush of shapes and noise, but after running through SeedVR2, suddenly the Eiffel Tower was clearly visible, the night sky full of stars, faces popped with new expression, and distant objects like lighthouses and cars came back to life. Each example wasn't just fixed, it looked like it had been shot on a professional camera. SeedVR2 Upscaler can handle videos up to 1080p in one go thanks to its ultra-efficient neural network. Instead of taking several steps like older algorithms, it does the restoration in just one pass, so it's blazing fast and more efficient on your hardware. ByteDance offers 2 versions, a brisk 3 billion parameter model for quick results, and a super high-quality 7 billion parameter model if you want every last detail and don't mind a little weight. It works for any aspect ratio and even adapts to the resolution of each video. Installing it is straightforward. ByteDance has open sourced the entire model and provided easy to follow installation guides. All you'll need is in the GitHub and Hugging Face pages linked in the description. But what if your video isn't blurry, it's just flat and boring? That's where Any-to-Bokeh comes in. This AI gives you the power of a professional videographer, blurring the background like a cinema lens and turning your phone footage into works of art. Just upload your video and Any-to-Bokeh will analyze and segment the scene, separating your subject from the background and adding that rich creamy bokeh effect that makes everything look super cinematic. Suddenly your friend at the cafe or your pet in the backyard pops off the screen, framed by soft beautiful blur just like a movie. Even more, this tool lets you adjust exactly where you want the focus, direct the eye by focusing on the foreground, switching to the middle, or pulling back to the background. You can mimic camera rack focus tricks or transition smoothly between subjects in different areas of the frame. Want a lot of blur? Dial it up. Prefer it subtle? Set it low. Even in fast-moving scenes or complicated backgrounds, Any-to-Bokeh can usually figure out the subject and make them stand out. And yes, it's open source too. The code and demo are on GitHub, so you can add movie magic to any project. No expensive hardware needed. Let's take it even further. Say you want to extract effects or subjects from video, blend animations, or move a foreground character onto a different virtual scene. Meet LayerFlow, the AI that generates and manipulates transparent video layers. This tool can create complex effects like floating clouds or glowing energy swirls on transparent layers for immediate use in motion graphics. But it also works in reverse. Upload any normal video, and LayerFlow will separate your subject and the background into different video streams so you can composite, replace, or blend however you like. If something is blocking the background, LayerFlow even tries to fill in what's behind, giving you a clean slate for editing. Need a new background behind a walking bear, a person in motion, or a speeding bike? LayerFlow can generate coherent, seamless backdrops and match the camera's movement so everything blends naturally. It's a revolutionary tool for editors, motion designers, VFX artists, or anyone wanting to push beyond regular flat video. Quality is already impressive and getting better as development continues. The code is set to be open sourced soon. Check GitHub and the links below for updates and instructions. Each of these tools, SeedVR2 Upscaler, Any-to-Bokeh, and LayerFlow, are designed for creators who want results that look professional, cinematic, and visually stunning without spending thousands on gear or dozens of hours in editing software. Everything is free, open source, and if you want to explore any of these, all links, demos, docs, and repositories are in the description below. Try them out and let me know what epic upgrades you bring to your projects. Like, share, subscribe for more hands-on guides to the world's best open source AI creative tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.